Very beautiful. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it smells terrible. Oh, that smells horrible. Oh, it's like dripping fucking green or blue. Mild. Oh my god, there's like hair and shit. Oh, there's probably, oh my god, there's hair in here. There's probably a whole ass dead animal in here. I can tell what kind of animal that is, but I don't think I want to know. Fucking reeks though. Oh, I'm still smelling it too. Matter of fact, this whole house reeks. God, this place was in total fucking disarray. Looked almost nice at one point at least. People's family, of course. Shit happens. Oh, you don't fucking say. So the fridge too, this might be worse. It's got Mountain Dew and junk in it. Butter. Not nearly as bad as the other one. Easier to start. Concerning. Okay, looking TV too. Yeah. I feel like I had a same desk like this, unsimilar at least. Dear. Zachary Eldridge. That's unfortunate. SpongeBob. Oh, Lego Star Wars 360, Pac-Man, PSP games in there too. Lego Indiana Jones. GameCube games too. Super Smash Bros. Melee. They had Shadow Remastered. Okay, cool. Window. I mean, open window. This was the back. This for sure. Nope, this isn't. What is this? That's gonna get me demonetized. You see me in your review on a wheelie. Stay in your lane. Dog. See, like this light is still on. It's like bringing in mobs. What the fuck? Confederate South will rise again. Still waiting for that one to happen. Still waiting for that movie to come out. Spooky decor in like a haunted house covered in cobwebs and dead mobs. What this junk is? Harvey Girls, like the Steve Harvey Girls. Cracker. Yo, they had a whole ass Xbox One. I doubt it's still in here. So these people, they gotta get the Series X. They behind on the time. It is not in there, of course. Why would I expect anything more? This is the front part of the house I remember seeing when I was younger and thinking, man, that porch is gonna fucking collapse. The rest of the house did too. Right there as well. What is this? PlayStation? Oh shit. Jeez, they got a whole ass PlayStation in here. It's all come full circle. I've always wanted to find an abandoned house that had like a PS2 or some shit in it. I always dreamed I would find one in an abandoned house, a working one, but... And this is not gonna cut it, I don't think. Ooh, certificate of death. Who's this? Linda? Shirley? Shirley Gilbert! Oh my god! Oh my god, it all comes full circle. Linda L. Shirley? Shirley... Gilbert L. Ron Hubbard. Oh my god. Holy Bible. Scientology. Oh, it's all making sense now. Last army uniform covered in hair. A lot of poop in here too. This must have been the boys' room. That was definitely the boys' fucking room. Look at that. Hey, big guy, looking for some hot action on your birthday? Where was that bitch on my birthday? What the fuck? Whole ass fucking. Oh my god. What are these? Action figure? No, that's a trophy. Paradise Super Tourney, 3rd place, 2003. Creeper Paintball, 3rd place. I don't remember what movie this is from. Is this from Hellraiser? Yo! I literally like, oh my god, that's the only reason I recognize who this is, if that is who I think it is. I literally just started watching that fucking movie. That's the only reason I would even recognize that. Another trophy, probably for some Call of Duty, Fortnite shit. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Devil's Head, VHS, some boy shit. Him and Love Laid said no. Actually, maybe this was a girl's room. Don't mean to judge or anything, but this could have been a butch girl's room. Ooh. Nice cars. I feel like I had these same fucking cars when I was a kid. Didn't play with them because I wasn't into cars at all. No, I had these same fucking ones. I don't know what that is, but it looks cool. Playboy members only. A naked girl underneath. Maybe this was a boy's room. Legend has a beginning. Is this? Don't tell me. What is this? Is this, Halo Reach. That was my second guess. Exposed wires. Never good sign. Danger, Zachary's room. Well, I'm in danger, alright, but not for the right reasons. Jeez, Zachary, what the fuck did you ever do to this stupid fucking room? Nice room, Zachary. It's a real fucking death trap. I can see why I said danger on it. O.J. Simpson? Is he the person that killed somebody? Or did he pee on a 15-year-old? I don't remember. I'm not familiar with famous people, like, whatsoever. Nice room, Zachary. What is this? Oh, this is a sewing machine. Bro, this place had some cool shit left over. I think this is a sewing machine. Crutch for some reason. Maybe this is shit that's left over from when the person was in the war. Oh no. Is this shit burned? Is this shit all burned down? What is this shit? Records, of course. 99 cents. Old guitar. Some hard hats. Yeah, I wonder if this place burned down or something. I don't know. I just know that it was falling apart when I first seen this place and I was like a young fucking teenager. This is yeah, a little sketchy. Swing that. Ideal of me to be walking on this like I am. Just gotta be very fucking agile, you see. This might have been the girls' room. I can tell by all the pink on the floor. Pink carpet. This is the girls' room, obviously. Because it had pink sheetrock. That's how it worked. Now this is an old ass TV. Plenty of rusty fucking nails everywhere for you to fall on. Ooh, a box of Cheerios. That's probably the coolest thing I've found in this whole fucking place. They're really living. This is not at all safe to walk on, but film. This other room, damn it. Let's put that out of the fucking way. Ah, yes. This room also looks like the Holocaust as well. Very beautiful, of course. Oh, it's like going through a hoarder's house. On the wrong step, I feel like I'm gonna fucking get impaled on some shit. That helps to be flexible. It helps to be fucking flexible, it does. There's a phone ringing. Why is the phone ringing? There is nothing here worth dying for. You bet your ass there isn't. Basement's pretty fucking standard. Just very dark. Very stone. Oh shit, what the fuck? Used to be a way in from the house. They tried to vacuum their porch at least, right? Here's the frontal view of the house. And this is what it looked like to be a guest to their house. And then you have to crawl through all this shit if you want to see your friends. See if they have any. That was a good one. A lot of cool old shit in that house. It seemed like there was some cool history there. There's like some sort of like jacket, like they're in the armed forces a long time ago. There's like some really fucking old shit. There's some somewhat newer shit too, but it was like Xbox, PlayStation era. PlayStation 1, there's an Xbox One. It's sort of the newest thing I saw in there. There's like Xbox 360 games, then mixed of like a bunch of other old shit. I probably have all sorts of diseases on my hands. Yeah, after opening that fucking cooler, I probably have all sorts of nasty fucking... I'm probably a suspect in a fucking murder trial now, or some shit. Oh, it is what it is.